Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for Northern Ontario at 11:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday, July 30th, 2021. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Fort Frances, Emo, Rainy River. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Sioux Narrows, Nestor Falls, Morrison. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Seine River Village, Mine Center. A severe thunderstorm warning is ended for Fort Frances, Emo, Rainy River. Environment Canada has issued a squall warning for Lake of the Woods at 9:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Friday, July 30th, 2021.